In this brief video, I'm going to show you a method of creating a circle highlighter around your mouse so that people can follow you when you're giving presentations on your computer or through a PowerPoint. This is extremely important because it allows smooth transformation from one section of your computer screen to the next, and also it allows the viewers to flow with you smoothly. Now in this method, you're going to use options which are already installed on your Windows computer with a small adjustment of downloading a file from the internet, which is for free, then uploading it to your computer system. In an upcoming video, I'll go through another method of using a highlighter with softwares which are also for free. So let's do this using the free method of just getting a highlighter from the internet, which is extremely simple and easy. So let's go over to my computer where I walk you through the steps. Let's go. On my computer, I would love to take you over to this amazing screen. Now, as you can see, my mouse is in the middle running around, and you might have a difficulty finding the mouse moving in front of you. So what you're going to do, guys, you're going to go over below to this section where we have the search bar, which is here. You're going to tap on it, and what you're going to do, you're going to type mouse. On typing mouse, you're going to get all these options. So I'm going to enter another word, settings, to take me right over to that section so you can see it. Now, when you're on this page on your computer screen, you need to go to the extreme right where it says additional mouse option. You're going to tap on that. On tapping on that, you'll be taken over to this area. Now, when you're here, guys, on this section, you'll have button, pointers, pointer options, wheel, headwear. Now, what you're going to do, we're going to tap on the pointer section, which is here. On tapping on that, you'll be taken over to this section by default, and you'll have all these options of a mouse highlighter. So we're going to just scroll down to see what are some of the features that they have on the platform. So we have this you can use, but based on my experience, I would highly recommend that you change this to something which is highlighted with a green halo image around the mouse pointer. Now, in order to get this, for the record, this is not by default on your computer. In order to get this image, you will then have to go over to a website. And let me just take you over to the website. This is my computer channel. Please subscribe, guys. Now, we're going to go over to this website. This website is called rw-designers.com. Now, this method, again, is totally for free, and you're going to come over, guys, and you'll have, say, software gallery help for people. Now, here we have graphic softwares. Now, people have done various highlighter cursors, which would make our life extremely easy in getting the file. What you're going to do, we're going to scroll down, guys, and we're going to tap on Real World Cursor Edition. We're going to tap on it. On tapping on that, you'll be taken over this section. Now, you have many options of choosing. I'll just choose one that's quicker, that we can just use immediately for the file. But let me go over to Gallery and give you more options before we go to this area. Let me just tap on it. Now, when we go to Gallery, guys, you'll have various options of highlighters that you can use on your computer in order to enhance your mouse so that people can follow the steps that you're showing on your screen easily. Now we could go here and we can type in, for example, green, and see what the options are. So there are 1 minute green. Now all these are options of having a highlighted mouse with the color green. I'll choose something else. Let me just go to most relevant. I'll go to most relevant, and I'll go to downloads. On tapping on downloads, you're going to get all these options of using a highlighted mouse. So we have the area black cursor, we have the green fat.cer, we have the green highlight.co. A few seconds ago, you saw this on my computer screen, and I'll be highlighting how to use this one. But for the video, let me just choose another so you can just see the process of getting another on my screen. So let me do green arrow. Let me go to the RGB, for example. I'm going to tap on it. Now here I'll have the option of downloading one of these. Guys, do not worry. This is not a big file that will cause much problem on your computer. It's just an image that you can simply upload it to your software program on your Word and use it. If you do not like it, you can delete it later on. So we're going to download it here. Tap download it. Just close this ad. And as you can see, it's being downloaded here on my desktop through the Windows download area here. You can see, yes, it's here, it's a file. Now, if you get this bunch of files, I would say that ignore it and go for something which is way easier, because this is a book file. Let me just go back to another, let me go back to the, sorry, you go back to the green. Let's do the blue-green one because it's easier and less files to upload on your computer system. Try to let it be, let's do this, for example. Now, when we come here, guys, we're going to click on download, let it download on your computer. As you can see, normal.cr, and this is just an example. Now, after you're done, guys, what you need to do, you're going to go over to the download section here. You're going to modify this according to the timing things that were downloaded on the computer so we can see which one was the last. So we have the normal and we have the RGB. Now, for this section of the video, what we need to do, we need to cut this from here. Just highlight it, then we need to cut. We're going to cut it, then we're going to go over to our default section of the mouse, and we are going to upload it to this area. So let me just go over, where it says browse, tap on the browse section, go to my downloaded area, and I need to get the file from there. Now, on getting the file, 1 minute, guys. Now, after I have, 1 minute, let me just go back. Now, after we're on this area, guys, what we then need to do, we need to get this file from this section. So we're going to go to cut here, then we're going to go over to our file programs, which should be here, the Windows section. We're going to tap on it, then we're going to search for the cursor section. Cursor. This is it. We're going to tap on it until it opens up. After that, we're going to paste the file that we have just downloaded from the internet. Come here, we're going to paste. Give that a few seconds, then it's going to ask destination, folder, access denied. You're going to say continue. You need to get the file over to this area. Now, as you can see, I've downloaded a few before. I have the green highlight. Let me go down, I have the normal, which I've just downloaded a few seconds ago. And so forth. Now, after that, guys, what we need to do, we need to upload this file to the cursor section. We're going to go here, and we're going to search for the file. So let me just go back here. We're going to go to pointer, and we're going to go down and look for that file. Now we're going to go to browse, give it a few seconds, go to the cursor section where we have just pasted that file from the website. We're going to scroll down until we find that icon, which is highlighted. Now, as you can see, the green highlight cursor is here. We can choose that, or we can go to the normal blue, which I've just downloaded. So just here's another color we have downloaded previously. Tap on that, guys, and we're going to click on open. Okay, open. Now, on clicking on open, what we're going to use, we're going to save this. We're going to give it a name. We're going to say Windows Default Red, for example. Now, what we can do, we can use this for the norm, and then we can see this, guys. It has changed. So I can highlight, I can speak about a lot of stuff on the screen, and allow people to follow me smoothly. Say that I were to go over to my YouTube channel, say you can see where I'm talking about. You can see I'm speaking about this video, that video, and so forth. Now, what you then can do, if you want to remove this, you can go click on delete, or you can come to the section where it says none. Tap on none, and everything will go back to the norm. I'll show it to you. After tapping on none, you're going to come to here, normal select. You're going to tap then on apply, OK. And that allows your system to go back to the default format. So guys, I hope you've gotten a lot of value from this brief video. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. Please like the video, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family so more people can get the knowledge that they need in order to advance their different activities on their computers. Thank you for your attention, and chat with you soon. Bye.